Now let's see question B. Question B is a bit complicated because now the power here, you have another function here. So how should you do this? You know that you need to use chain rule because in the exponential function, you have another function here. So how should you do this? So now let's focus on the outside function first, which is 7 to the power of x over 2. So usually for the inside function like this, I will use another term. Usually I will say this is 7 to the power of ayam, okay? Because I want to represent this as one variable. You can also use theta if you like, okay? But for me, usually in my class, I will use the term ayam, okay? So let's try to differentiate. 7 to the power of ayam is just 7 to the power of ayam ln 7. Okay, so now we have differentiate the outer function, the outside function. And then now let's focus here. Let's further differentiate ayam. Okay, let's further differentiate ayam, which is the inside function. So differentiate of x over 2, this is just 1 over 2. So since we have finished differentiating this function, so let's just simplify this. You have numerator and also denominator. Your numerator is 7 to the power of x over 2. Multiply ln 7. And your denominator is over 2. Therefore, this is your final answer. Now, let's proceed with part C. We want to find the derivative of e to the power of 3x. So, we want to find the derivative of e to the power of ayam. So, let's do this. The derivative will be e to the power of ayam. And then let's further differentiate ayam. Differentiate 3x, so this is equal to 3. Therefore, let's conclude our answer. Bring the constant in front. So let's just multiply with e to the power of 3x. Therefore, this is your final answer. Next, let us see part D. We want to differentiate 4e to the power of third x. So let us rearrange this first. We want to find the derivative of 4e to the power of x to the power of half, okay? So don't worry, this is just your ayam. This is just the inside function. So let's differentiate this. So put 4 outside because 4 is the constant here. Then we want to differentiate e to the power of ayam. So e to the power of ayam is just e to the power of ayam. And then let us further differentiate ayam. So further differentiate x to the power of half. You just bring down the power, 1 over 2. Power reduced by 1, so negative half. So now let us simplify our answer. We can simplify first the constant, 4 times 1 over 2. So this is just left with 2. And then let's finalize our answer. The numerator now is 2. E to the power of x to the power of half, and your denominator is equal to square root of x. Therefore, this is your final answer.